Hey there! Welcome to the IndustryHackerz FL Studio series. My name is Alex, and I'll be taking you to this journey of knowing how to use FL Studio properly and how to make sure that your track is recorded properly and mixed. So the first thing that we're gonna look at is the actual FL Studio, how everything works and how the program is structured. So the first thing that happens when you open up FL Studio is this playlist shows up. Now the playlist can be opened right here and is basically where everything is done and where you'll be arranging and doing everything. The second most important thing right here is the mixer. You can open it right here, and this is where you'll be taking care of every single audio track and where you'll be mixing everything and making sure that everything sounds good. So if you want to have FL Studio opened up like me, you just go to New from Template, and then choose an empty FL Studio template. Now, what this will do is it will open up FL Studio without any additional sounds and so on. The second thing that you need to take care of is go to Options and then to Audio Setting. Here is where you need to choose the correct audio device in which the sounds will be going to. So for me, it's the Focusrite USB audio. You choose this, hit close, and that's it. So another thing right here is the channel rack. This is where every file and every pattern and so on will be displayed. You also have some drum pads, which we'll use later to make some beats and so on. And then another thing that is useful for making beats is the piano roll. You can open it right here, and this is where you'll be making all of the melodies and drum patterns and so on. So this is it for the first video. In the next one, I'll be showing you how to record vocals in FL Studio.